Hello, my name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today I welcome you in Eastman Technical Masterclass. Today we will talk about how to use the battery host software. BMS host software is a powerful tool that allows us to monitor all the running parameters inside the battery. Not only that, according to the customer requirement and inverter compatibility, we can modify the battery parameters. Now let's see how to install and use the BMS software step by step. First, double click on the software and install it in your system. Once the installation is complete, we will move to the next step, battery and laptop connection. We need RS485 to USB converter cable. Using this cable, we can connect the battery to the laptop so that all the battery running parameters can be displayed on the host software interface. As soon as the connection is established, a COM port becomes visible on the screen on the right topmost side. COM port selection and search. Now select the correct COM port and click on the search button. As soon as we click on the search, all the battery parameters appears on the screen. Monitoring battery parameters. We can see many important details such as cell maximum voltage, cell minimum voltage, cell to cell voltage difference, pack voltage, current. If the battery pack is connected in parallel, we can go to the parallel option and monitor the data of all parallel connected batteries as well. Checking and editing parameters. We can also check what parameters are set inside the battery. We can go to the parameter section to change the parameter. First, login is mandatory. For login, go to the account session. Here select user login and enter the password. The password is 6668888. Once the login is successful, we can safely modify any battery parameter according to the customer requirement and inverter specification. Conclusion: by using host software, we can easily perform battery monitoring, parameter checking, parameter customization. I hope the video was helpful and easy to understand. Thanks a lot for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman